Yeah, I got emergency service calls. I got an emergency service call. What I was trying to say is we do emergency service calls. So this is probably one of the last iterations of CSW200, an AC unit. I installed this May of 2014, and as you can see, it looks pretty good inside. That's 3 years of rocking and rolling. Let's see how much light my headlamp puts off. Oh heck yeah, that puts off more than this. Alright, so anyways, the complaint that we had from my customer was that the gate operator is, so photo eye still looking good. That's one of those older EMX photo eyes, and the reflector doesn't look so bad. I'm gonna clean that off while I'm out here, and hopefully this thing will stay in focus while I'm walking around. Don't find any snakes or anything out here. Get a little bit of water. At least it's not 30 degrees out here. That's a good thing. Just so happened to be still in uniform. That photo eye looks pretty good. Oh, you can't see a dang thing, can you? Just needed to be cleaned a little bit. So that looks pretty good, and like the way I mounted it, real happy with that. So, and it's working. I just heard the relay click. In theory it's working. So just throw this back over here, back on the truck, and let's see what we got. Let's close this mug. All right. Looks like the limits are good. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's breaking the photo eye. That would lead me to believe that. Oh, I was going to say we have a bad weld, but we don't. Got some dirt daubers living up in there, but we don't have a bad weld, which is good. Looks like the weld's good there too. So, what has happened? I want to double check something real quick, because that's okay. No. Looks like the hinges are good. Let me get over here and I'll just stop it once we get that close. Take a look at the limits. But I was looking at the arm, and the arm's obviously letting it go that far. So either the arm what is going on here? That looks like a broken, busted weld. Oh, plus it's got these holes in there. What happened here? That all looks good. See what I'm saying? So this arm is supposed to be locked, and when it gets locked, I didn't think that would have been out of place. That's anchored in 4 spots. Limit's definitely not out. Wow, that's seriously not kosher. And this is where it's supposed to be. That's right on it. How did this thing get that far out? Oh, did the gate get bent? Let's take a look down this gate and see what happens. No, you can't. It's hard to tell. Not much perspective, but let's see if it's a little easier that way. No, you can't tell. It looks like it's bent no matter what from that perspective, but I can look down the gate and it's not bent. So that's odd. It's not busted there, is it? Nope. It's not wallowed out there. It's not wallowed out there. Why? Is that moving? That's not moving. Nope, that's in the ground. That's odd. Well, I'm going to put down the phone. Oh, could that be it? Yeah, there we go. Damn hinge went bad on me. The bolt broke off. Let's see. Yeah, so that put the gate out of. Shouldn't have put it that far out to where it's pushing it that way. But you can see that that's broke, but I can't see that that would cause it to get that far out of position. Check my welds there. No, my welds there look good. Gate operator housing's not out. But anyways, it's going to require two hands, so